If you want a case to not only house all of your components, but an all-in-one liquid cooler without bags of room left over that you're left scratching your head trying to figure out what to fill it with, then this is probably the ideal case for you. Being one of the most compact mid-tower cases available today, the V200 sure is stunning. Coming with three 120mm 12V RGB fans mounted behind the front window does make it current, and they really are pretty fans. The light is very evenly spread across the blades and make the pulse mode look phenomenal in either red or blue. I personally think the light blue looks absolutely amazing. Just like pretty much any other gaming case, the V200 comes with a PSU cover and mounting spots for two hidden 3.5-inch drives and two 2.5-inch drives, which is pretty much standard nowadays. The main things to me that makes this case really stand out is: number one, its outstanding ventilation. The V200 TG comes fitted with one 120mm exhaust fan and three 120mm 12V RGB intake fans in the front, but also has space for two 140 or 120mm fans in the top. However, if you're planning on a liquid cooled system, you can also fit up to a 240 or 280mm radiator behind the front panel, which is cooled by the intake on the right hand side of the case. However, it doesn't officially support a 320mm radiator, but with a few bends and maybe a trim or two, someone might be able to justify the looks over the practicality of losing your hard disk drive mounts. Personally, if I had a 1TB SSD, this is exactly what I would do. Number two, its compact size. This case is very cleverly thought out, and when paired with an ATX motherboard, a full-size GPU, and an all-in-one cooler in the pool configuration, there are maybe 1 or 2 inches between the motherboard and the front radiator, which means it looks gorgeous because there is no vast open spaces, making the build look very clean and very tidy. Finally, number three, cost. Priced at £80 on Amazon, and just a little heads up, Scan is doing a massive sale on this case for Black Friday, so make sure you head over there and snag one and don't miss out. Link in the description below. Well, for the vital specs, the case is 44.6 by 20.4 by 43.9 centimeters in size, with a net weight of only 7.1 kilograms. As for the clearance, the CPU cooler height limitation is 16 centimeters, the VGA length limitation is 38 centimeters, and the PSU length limitation is 17 centimeters, making this case incredibly versatile and quite deceiving considering its compact size, which, if I may point out, is very similar in size to the Masterbox 5 Lite, only slightly shorter from front to back and not quite as tall. Finished in a beautiful matte black paint job, this really makes this case trustworthy of our gold award, which isn't given out easily. Well, to be honest, neither is silver and bronze, to be fair, but anyway, it has to be above the norm to get a reward from us. So well done, Thermaltake, that's another gold. Just remember, Scan are doing a Black Friday sale on this case, so keep your eyes peeled and snag a bargain on this fantastic case. Link in the description below. Well, if you liked the video, click like. If you loved it, subscribe. And why not leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you like about this case, and I'll see you in the next video. So until then, bye.